everybody, again welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can change your password of your Google account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will just simply dive into our video. So what you will do is you will simply just go to your Gmail, and then you will tap on this your profile icon on top right corner, and you can simply tap on this option called Google account, and then you will see this above. You can simply just swipe to your left and you will find this option called security, and then you will just swipe down, and then you will see this option called passwords, and this how you sign into Google option. Here you can see my password was changed December 8, 2021. Simply tap on that, and here you will simply enter your password that you have current password. Once you're done entering your password, you can simply tap on, and if you have forgotten your password, then you will simply tap on this forgot password option. Once you're done adding your password, then you will see this new password option where you will enter your new password. So you can simply reconfirm your password over here, and then you will simply tap on this option called change password, and you will see your password was changed. So yeah, this is how you can, and you can see the password changed successfully over there. So you can see now you have changed your password successfully. So yeah, this is how you can simply check your password. And if this video was helpful to you guys, do make sure to subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.